I'm gonna be showing you on the fastest way to create a pizza and a hamburger flyer using just an AI without Photoshop. So if you are interested, let's log in and start the design process. Now, in this tutorial today, you will see a short method of how you can create any design of flyer, any flyer design of your choice. But today we'll be going for the hamburger flyer. So now let's get started. Open any web browser, go to chatgpt.com, and what are we doing now? The first process here is to get information of what we want to put on the hamburger flyer. Now we will ask ChatGPT that it should generate us with information of hamburger, or let's just say hamburger information. Those information are the ones that are supposed to be put on the hamburger. So now we are going to give him the prompt for him to we are going to give him a text for him to generate us a good information about a pizza and hamburger flyer or poster. So let's wait as it generates it. Hamburger flyer poster design. Okay, so now we have given him just a short prompt: generate me necessary information about a pizza and hamburger flyer poster design. So this is the information he has given us. So now if you look at, I'm using the free ChatGPT. So I haven't paid for it. So in order to carry out this design, you don't need to pay anything for the design. You just need to have a Google account and you should be signing to chatgpt.com. Now we will copy the informations. We copy them. You can do Control C, or you right click on it and you choose on copy. Okay, now we will tell him generate me a good pizza and hamburger flyer or poster design using these informations. Now we will put the informations in quote. Let's put the information in quote. Now we'll tell him make it very delicious and catchy. Are you seeing? So now that is it. Let's now wait for the process to start. Okay, now it has started. Now let's look at. So as you see, ChatGPT will create us a very beautiful post or flyer for pizza. So that is to tell you that without any payment for ChatGPT, you are able to make money using ChatGPT. For graphic designers, for anyone who deals with graphics, you are able to take projects and do their designs with ChatGPT without even having Photoshop or Illustrator installed on your computer. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so to keep this content coming and to keep promoting this channel. Thank you. As we continue now, let's wait for the generation process to finish. Okay, it is still creating image pizza and burger combo deals. So we are waiting to see the beautiful design. So let's sit and wait. So to show you that I really am using a free ChatGPT account, if you look at on my left where you see my username, you will see that it is written there free. Therefore means I haven't paid no penny for these designs. So imagine if I haven't paid any money, but you see these designs are very beautiful. That is to tell you that with no money wasted, with no money paid, with no time wastage, you can get this beautiful design. Look at how beautiful it is. Pizza and burger special. Look at how beautiful it is. So you can even customize it. You give ChatGPT your personal information and you tell him that use this information. Look at how beautiful, delicious it is. So let's download it and let's go and check it. So now we're going to look at something, guys. Look at, wow, beautiful, just in less than 5 minutes. Wow. So don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video for many others who are in need of such content to receive them without wasting much of their time on Photoshop and Illustrator designing what won't even look like this. So let's keep sharing, guys, for those who really need this content to receive it. Thanks for watching, guys.